Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and laptop so the reset works reliably. First, enable USB debugging in developer options because a DB needs direct command access. Then install Android SDK platform tools on your laptop. This gives you the DB binary. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% and connect with a good USB cable. Once connected, open a terminal or command prompt and run a DB devices to confirm the phone appears. This verifies once the device shows in a DB, you'll access recovery or bootloader to perform the actual wipe. Use a DB reboot bootloader or a DB reboot recovery. This puts the phone in the correct mode. In recovery mode, you can issue a DB shell commands or use fastboot if the bootloader is unlocked. Run the explicit wipe command such as a DB shell recovery wipe data or fastboot W to erase user data and caches. This clears settings and apps. Do this only when you're certain you've backed up what matters. After the wipe completes, you finalize by rebooting the phone. Use a DB reboot or fastboot reboot to return to normal startup. Make sure factory reset protection is considered. If the device is linked to an account, unlock it post-reset with the original credentials. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, reflash the stock image using fastboot flash commands to restore system partitions. And if a DB fails to detect the device, reinstall drivers. Try a different USB port or cable, then repeat the procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.